Hello everyone, this is Tavish and today I am super excited to bring you a review on S24 Ultra.
With a whopping 512 GB of storage. I always wanted to start making some unboxing videos, so this is going to be the first one. Let's kick things off. I have already opened the box so I can activate the SIM card, switching back from Xfinity to AT&T. Opening up the box, you have a SIM card tool along with a USB C to C cable and paperwork. I don't see a charger. That is a disappointment. I have used S2, S3, S5, S6 Edge, S7 Edge, and currently using S10 Plus to record this video, and then finally upgrading to S24 Ultra. Samsung always does a great job with their packaging, and it's no different here. It is available in 7 colors, and this is the titanium gray one. They made a flat screen here, just a little bit different than what we have had in the past because it got a new anti-reflectant coating on. Titanium design. We got a power button and volume buttons on the right side, and I believe it is a wave antenna towards the end. On the bottom, USB-C port, microphone and speaker area, as well as the S Pen. Left side, nothing on the left, and on top I can see few more microphones. Back looks pretty much the same as the last year S23 Ultra. Weight is around 232 gram. I am switching from S10 Plus, so it definitely feels heavy. Front. Let's talk about display. We got a 6.8-inch display at 1440 by 3120 pixel at 505 pixels per inch. It has a Gorilla Glass armor glass with a scratch resistance, but I'm still going to put a protector on before I begin using it because you can still get micro scratches. Let's talk about the processor. It has a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 with 12 gigabytes of RAM. We also have a 5000 mAh battery. I'll be playing with the battery for a while to see how that goes. Let's talk about the cameras, shall we? First, we have a 200 megapixel f 1.7 wide. Then we have 50 megapixel f 3.4 telephoto zoom 5 times optical zoom. We also have 10 megapixel f 2.4 3 times optical, as well as 12 megapixel f 2.2 ultra wide. It can record 8K with 30 frames per second. I will play with it and along with other features before I continue the review. One more thing that I would like to add is that it has Wi-Fi 7, but you do need to have a router that supports that. Just an FYI. S Pen is definitely smooth. I think I'm really going to enjoy the S Pen. Wallpapers. It is an AI phone, so they have introduced couple new features. I will be going over it as I get to test a little bit more. But for now, I think that is enough for initial review. I will come back in a couple of days. I'll see the battery, camera, and other features. Hello everyone, this is a day 2 review on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. I'm gonna go over a few more things that I discovered since playing it last night. The first thing that I do want to point out is there's a wobble over here, and I believe that's because of the camera. If you're not using a cover for it, it's gonna wobble a little bit. It's not gonna lay flat. So that's something I did not like about, but I don't think there's anything that can be done about it. So let's go over some S Pen features. The first thing I want to point out, if your screen is locked, you can pretty much use the S Pen to take notes. And you can pretty much play with it. It's pretty fast. No issues so far.
Only 4% beat level.
Touch is very smooth. I did not see any lag at all. I'm just waiting to die. Just not happening. Oops, there it is.
Okay.
So the next thing I would like to show is Smart Select. Let's say you're browsing. Okay. So let's say Smart Select. You can pretty much select anything on the screen. Save it. You can Smart Select. You can share it. You can edit it. You can draw on it. You can actually select image, narrow it down, and so on. You can do a bunch of stuff with it. It's a really cool feature that I liked so far. And so another cool feature is the Smart Select, which means pretty much you can select whatever is on your screen and search it online. Just gonna hold the home button screen and then select the image. It's gonna start searching it online. You can take a picture and then search it from there as well. So that's another cool feature that I like. It could be quite useful. So that's one of the features that is new to this device, and I really enjoy it. Could be fun to play with. It's very quick to find it online as well. Another thing that I would like to show is the S Pen feature. It's gonna, if you click the button one time, it's gonna take a picture. Twice, it's gonna switch cameras. And a few more gestures. So just gonna zoom in and out. Let's see, let's test that one. Oh, took me back. Yeah, that takes too much time. Useless for me, I would say. Okay. Okay. Also a magnify tool. Let's test that one. So it's gonna follow the tracker on your screen. And you can magnify it without touching the screen. Also we have screen right on the screen, save it, edit it. So I have pen up, you can learn how to draw. Definitely not for me. You can learn how to draw.
So that was it for the initial review for my new Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. I will play with the camera, new AI editing tools, as well as the circle to search feature for the next couple of days. Circle to search can be really helpful with they're easy to translate from the screen. We'll go over it and then come back with another video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and I will see you in the next one.